Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Chop It Up FPV, and I'm Paul, and we're here for another just quick review on the tools that I use that I've found over just testing it and using it on a daily basis. That helps make my life easier when it comes to building my drones. So this here is a power electric screwdriver from Fanttik. It is the E1 Max, and I love this thing. I use it every time I build, and even when I'm not building, I've used it to replace my thermostat in the house. I've used it to build little things for my wife. So it's just great to have around. I keep it in my, I just throw it in my junk drawer, or it's with my in my toolbox for with all my drone stuff. But it's small enough to fit in a junk drawer, or just inside the house, so you don't have to go out into the garage and pull out, your expensive tools. And this is very affordable. So it retails for like $69.99, but on Amazon you can get it for I think I paid about $44.97. As you can see, I've decorated it with all my drone stickers because it's what I like to do with this. It helps me locate it, and it's mine. So this is how you. So it's just got a spring release, so that's nice. And all the bits are held onto this thing right here by magnets, which is really nice. Keeps you organized, and they all have little pictures showing you which one goes where. And it's there's 50 different bits, and there's 12 different types. So you got hex, Allen, screwdrivers, torque, flathead. So you got everything you need. And then here is the tool itself. I love it. It's perfect. It fits in my hand nicely. It's easy to use. The button's right there, so it's just natural. When I'm trying to like hold something and like hold like a whole bunch of stuff together, and then try to get this and like screw it together. This just nice. It also has the LED, helps me see what I'm screwing in. So real quick, just a quick couple facts. So you got two different settings. You got a high, and you just twist it on the bottom right here, high and low. So this one only has two settings, but this is what they call a precision screwdriver. So it comes with like really small bits, really small pieces. Each one is labeled. So like this is the H0.7, and you go over here to your torque, and this one is a TR9. So that's nice. But it's a 200 RPM motor, and like I was saying, it has a precision torque. So the previous one I reviewed, the S1 Pro, where that has like it was up to like 6 NMs, so it's Newton meters. This one is the high is a point 0.2 nm with the low of 0.05. So it's very delicate, which is great when I'm working on. Oh, I don't have any of like like a tiny whoop, or one of my other smaller drones, or like just building with like the what do you call it, like my flight controllers. I'm trying to screw that stuff in, so it works great for that. You can also use it, they say on there, for building like laptops or watches and just other precision items you'd be working on. So this is great for all DIY guys out there who like to do your own thing. So like I said, it's 50 bits of S2 steel. It has a 350 mAh battery, which lasts up to about 8 hours. Honestly, like I said, I use this every time I build, and sometimes that's almost every day, and I will go weeks without charging it, and it's never just outright died on me. So that's awesome. And it is just a Type-C charge, so you just plug it in right in the bottom. So, you just put it away, and then plug it in, boom, walk away, you're good to go. And so yeah guys, so that was just a quick review on the Fanttik E1 Max. I highly recommend this tool to anybody, whether you do drones or like I said, watches or anything, any kind of DIY at home. So check it out, guys. I love Fanttik. I wish I could give you a review of their customer service or their like return policies, but like I said before, I've never had to use it because these products just work. So check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.